What's up, guys? Morning. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Sweating already, nice and hot, first thing in the morning. Gotta love it, baby. So, running into a scenario where I'm fixing to get the braces strong so I can secure the body to the chassis. And because the car is really old, all of the bolts snapped up inside of the braces. So I had to cut a square out of the brace, drill and tap it 3/8 thread, you know, the original bolts. And now I'm fixing to weld these up underneath the car. We've got a stubborn body brace. This is one of many. I want to just show you how I'm going to fix this. So I drilled out the center, the bolt sheared off at the square. I'll show you what it looks like inside. You'll see a square, that's your nut. I had to drill out the center. I tapped this 1/4-inch piece of steel. Now I'm fixing to weld this up underneath here like so. Also, there was no mount here, so what I'm going to do is same exact thing, drill a hole, weld this to the brace, the floor brace, and install another body mount. So you'll have a body mount there, here, 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 and then there are going to be some on the inside of the frame rail as well. So your frame rail will be here like so, and then we'll have another somewhere, you know, over here or behind me. So now I switched my wire. I put in 023 and we're going to weld this up. All right, here's another. The nut broke off inside. Whole thing came out. So I went ahead again, made another plate, drilled and tapped it. This is going to go like so. And we're going to weld her in. So this here was missed. I'm going to stitch this to the floor. Is what it is, man. It's got to get done. So probably going to be some burn spots up in the inside, but whatever, you know, has to get done. All right, got this welded to the floor. I got our rocker, our inner rocker there squared up. I'm gonna put a plate over it, stitch it in, hope and pray that it holds. Things beat up pretty good. I'm gonna do the best I can with what I've got. That's all I can do. That's all I can do. Everything on this bottom side here, I've got to fix. I've got to tidy up, I've got to make it strong. Yeah, I mean, I didn't even get to this side yet, so one day at a time. And then you wonder why it takes so long, because you run into little hiccups like this. Well, I'm gonna do as best as I can do with this. I'm gonna weld a plate inside here like so, stitch all this to this flat stock that he's got here, stitch the flat stock to the floor, and then put this guy in here like so, weld that to the plate and then that to the floor, and weld the side up. That's about all I can do, man. That's about as far as I can go. She's nice and strong, welded on all 4 sides. I got the plate on here for the brace, cleaned up the edge, made it nicey nice. Probably put a little bit more inside of here, a couple spots, and it's gonna be this side. So, while we're under here, we might as well take care of this. Yeah, why not? Sure. Shirley. All right, floor's a little off-centered. I'll plug what I can plug and stitch what I can stitch. It's about the best as I can do with what I've got. Once that's done, weld our plate so we can bolt the body to the chassis. So, almost done fiddle-faddling underneath this car. Once I get all these braces buttoned up and all this little stuff taken care of, then I can bolt the body to the chassis. But until then, gotta keep fixing all these little things because I cannot secure the body to the chassis, you know, the way it was. I had to make some adjustments. So I'm gonna keep on keeping on and we'll catch you in a minute. I made a piece. I'll show you why I made a piece. See how this body mount's flexing? I don't like that, even though the other side is welded on. So this guy's gonna go right in here like so, like this. Tack this guy right here and here. Okay, now get a little tack there, and I'll show you why in just a second. Come on, stupid. There we go. All right. A little tacky tack here. So the reason why I put those tacks there is because we're gonna take a self-tapper and I just pulled this whole entire seam down to the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to put a tack again. See the difference? Got to finish welding the corner. Huge difference. Huge. Huge difference. Big time. We'll fix it. Trim this off. And that'll do it, man. I'm beat. I'm done. It's absolutely kicking my ass. 110%. I'm covered in sweat. I'm covered in muck. Guess it is what it is. Till tomorrow.
Check your oil.
Check away, Navenar Johnson.
Oil rag at the ready, sir.
Let's check the oil together.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I damn thee.
Alright, same shit. I gotta grind out the spot right there, but yep, beautiful. Excellent. Let me get my grinder, clean that edge up. Here we go. That's 2 body mounts. Alright, next one's gonna be a little different. I reused the old factory mount from the Bel Air. And we're going to put this right about here. So we'll put a little mark on the inside. And I'll show you why in just a minute. Let me get my hand in here. Like so. Beautiful. Now, take our drill. Now, drill that out. Gotta clean this up. Okay. Most simplest way for me is taking this 2-inch chunk that I cut out. We're gonna set this in here like this. Oh yeah. Alright, same shit. Now, my bracket's a little hot. Ow. Ow. Son of a bitch. Beautiful. Weld her up. There we go. Another mount. So far we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then I've got to make one back here. That'd be 5, and then 5 on the other side. That'll be 10, and I want to add 2 more, like I said earlier, into these braces, possibly, or in the inside. More than likely on the inside to support the inside of the floor. Same shit, nothing different. That's where our mount's going. And again, same shit. Ain't nothing different. We're gonna put a little mark on the frame right here. like this. My vagina hole. Put a mark up here like this. Drill this joker out like this. Okay. Same shit. Now a welder. Close our eyes, hope for the best. Ow. All right, weld it up. So I got some mounts I got to make up. We'll get back at you in a little bit. We're getting there little by little, my friend, little by little. So all these have to get fully welded and plated and reinforced. So we added 1, 2, 3, that's 6. There's 2 up here, that's 8. There's 2 that have to go back here, that's going to be 10. And then I've got the radiator support that I've got to add. And then I want to add another one in here somewhere. Obviously this has to get tunneled for the dry shaft, but I definitely want to add one back here somewhere. And I think that should do it, honestly. It's pretty beefy. And I made all those from scratch. So like I said, I took some 2x4 box tubing, traced it out, took my measurements, split it in half, and I'm gonna run a gusset in the center, like this, and that should work, man. That should be money. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, that's about it. So guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I can't thank you all enough for all your support. It means a lot to me. Just got to keep on keeping on, you know. It's kind of burning me out, the wagon. Just the reality of it, because I'm on a timeline. But it's all good. So, till next video, have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you on the next one. Talk to y'all soon.